everyone. The roadways transportation have been developing very quickly. Many highways and expressways have been developed. It has a lot of pros and cons. The truck drivers or tourist drivers who have been driving continuously without rest or sleep might fall asleep while driving or feel drowsy due to non-stop driving. This could lead to accident. Sleep-deprived drivers remain responsible for about 40% of the road accidents. According to the enforcement officers patrolling the highways and major road here, this is particularly applicable to fatigue drivers who doze off at the wheels between midnight and 5 a.m. on highways. We came up with a solution that is an alarm for driver. It works on the basis of an eye blink sensor. When the sensor detects the eye have been closed for a longer time, it first starts the buzzer and tries to alert the driver. And it also uses the indicator lights in the car to alert other cars around it. Then after a few seconds, the driver is not yet woke up, then it slowly stops in the car.
So now I would like to add some points on the working applications of the eye blinking sensing system. The eye blinking sensing system can be used for different purposes. So first let's look at the eye blink sensor. The eye blink sensor sends constantly infrared rays which are detected and reflected by the receiver. As soon as the eye is blinked, the output goes very high and this output is sent to the Arduino board. The Arduino board then sends the message to the buzzer and it rings. So this is how we can detect blinks. Another purpose of this system is called the driver drowsiness system. In this we can use it as to check if the driver is feeling sleepy or not during driving. So this can be done with some minor changes in the Arduino code. It can be used in any mode of transport, be it cars, planes, ships, or etc. So another purpose of this system is also that it can be used in hospitals to check whether the patient has gained consciousness. When a patient is unconscious, he has his eyes closed, and as soon as his eyes is opened, the buzzer will start to ring. So this is also possible with some minor tweaks in the Arduino code. So now I would like to explain the block diagram of the circuit. So the power is being supplied to the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is connected to the infrared sensor, relay module and buzzer. Also the Arduino Nano is connected to the gear module. So we also have the switch, breadboard, buzzer and connecting wires. The breadboard is on which the Arduino Nano is connected. So here we have got the eye block sensor, eye blink sensor and the relay module. The relay module is an electromagnet and the eye blink sensor is an infrared sensor. Also we have the connector which connects the battery from other components, and this is the motor with tires and these are the batteries. So now I would like to explain you the circuit which is over here we have got. So these are the batteries, this is the relay module, this is the Arduino Nano, this is the on and off switch, and here we have got the buzzer, and here we have got the gear motor. So this is the infrared sensor and this is the goggle.
The Arduino Uno is the best board we have started with electronics and coding. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller based on the 80 mega 228p. It has potential input or output pins, of which this can be used as PWM outputs, 6 analog pins, a power jack, power in and out, computer input, and a reset button, and an ICSP header. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect to a computer using the USB cable or power it up with the AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. 80 mega 328 on the board comes pre-programmed with a bootloader. It allows uploading new codes to it without the use of an external hardware programmer, or else you can use an Arduino Nano, which is quite similar to Arduino Uno.
As my friend spoke about Arduino, I will speak about one more major component of this circuit. This is relay module. How the relay channel 1 functions. At the core of the relay, there is an electromagnet. The relay can be thought of as an electric lever. When we turn on, there is a very small current, but when we turn it on the another device, there is a much larger current. The small current flows in the first circuit and the electromagnet is energized, creating a magnetic field around it. The energized electromagnet attracts the second circuit's contact and closes the switches and allowing the large current to flow. The power LEDs light up when the module is powered up, and the stator LEDs light up when the relay is activated. I will speak about one more component, that is control pin. The module also includes control pin, that is an input pin IN, which has 5 volts of logic compatible. So if you have a microcontroller like Arduino, you can easily drive a relay with any digital output pin. The power is low, so the logic low activates the relay and the logic high deactivates it. There is one more major component, that is module power. The module operates 5 volts and draws approximately 70 milliampere when the relay is activated. There is flyback diode connected to parallel to the relay coil, which is inside this, to safely shunt the current when the relay coil is de-energized. There are power pins like VCC pins to provide power to the module, and GND pins, which are common ground pins.
So now I would like to add some applications of this system. So it can be used to count the blinking of the person. It can be used to check whether a driver is feeling drowsy while driving or not. And even in hospitals to check whether patient have gained conscious. Also, the students who study overnight don't need to sleep because they need to study. So it will be helpful to all of this.
We can even make a wireless version of this. In the near future, the device could be made with smaller, compact, efficient design and much more accurate sensors.
So, as my friend spoke about future scope, we can easily conclude that this gadget will be very useful in the future and will be used in some more applications. This is the gadget. I will show you the working of this. See, now I will blink. See, like this it is working. So we can conclude that this gadget will pay its huge contribution in the coming era. Thank you.
Thank you.